Saan bababa? Wala ba dito?
May konti.
Game! Game! Ang bilis! Ginawang ride. Walk the walk. Inutusan ka pa. Asan ba? Ay, sorry, say. Ganda.
Oo.
Isang 3 and 4.
Pero matagal na kami dito.
Ay, sorry. US na lang. Hello, madlang people, mabuhay! Mini miss you! Mini miss you! Hello, madlang people, mabuhay! Mick? Ha?
Hoy! Easy yan! Mag-tiktok ka na dito. Sa gitna.
Hindi tayo makakatawid dyan, love. Tulog na, night na.
Dito lang tayo. Here, we're gonna sit here.
We're just sitting here.
Sit na here. We're gonna sit na. Dito daddy, mommy is there. Mommy is there.
Mommy is here, oh.
Oh, mommy is there.
I'm here.
Houses.
Houses.
There, houses. There, houses. Bumaba.
Dati open to eh.
Picture ka na dun, te. Picturean kita. Ito, gusto mo dito?
Pag alis namin, nagpala pa. Parang Pinoy na nasa gitna. Oy, wala ka naman sa beach. Bakit?
Ba't puro buhangin?
Tara, nag-beach ka ba?
Galing Mora yan. Pati niya ulit tayo flex mo nga.
Oh, ay, bablog mo yan eh. Ayoko nga.
Hindi.
Kunwari lang.
Ang puti, oh. Wow.
Galing beach. Oh.
Hindi giniginaw yan, namumuti lang.
No!
Cookie Master? Gusto niya Elmo
Ay,
lang.
meron siya ganito.
You want Elmo?
Akin na lang
Cookie
to.
Master?
Si Hello Kitty.
Gusto niya lang manood.
Saan?
Sesame Street, Elmo
Okay.
tsaka Cookie Master.
Okay. Oh, you sit down in your cart.
Oh, sit
Bella,
there.
look.
We're gonna watch.
Am I pretty?
Bella,
Bella, look.
Ninang got your crown.
Ninang ganda. You say, Ninang ganda.
Hala. Oh my God. What's that?
You say, Ninang
Magpapalit
ganda.
lang, bakit ang tagal?
If you watch Elmo here, nag-makeup pa daw. You watch Elmo?
Sa noon.
You watch Elmo?
You wanna watch Elmo?
Watch the...
Kalma.
Kalma?
Kaya nga.
Dance, Bella, dance.
Ikaw daw, ikaw nila. Bago ka na talaga. Nakamat-amat ka na. Oh, let's go home na. Let's go na. Mag-check in muna tayo, tapos nasasama sa Safeway. Let's go.
Ay, salamat. Uuwi na tayo. Let's go.
Pero huwag muna kayong bababa, mag-check in muna. Ako gano'n ka pa dito. Wala na ako pa.
Wow, sarap buhay. Wow, girl. Wow, girl, sarap buhay. Girl, 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 girl.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe